everyone, I'm Dana from Comfort Food Community here in our Greenwich Food Center kitchen for another edible education video. Thank you to Emily from the Schuylerville Library for inviting me to share this video, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to make some peanut butter chocolate bird nests. This is a fun and easy treat, perfect for celebrating springtime. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands, which I've already done, and get your ingredients together. We only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. We need 4 cups of shredded wheat cereal, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 2/3 of a cup peanut butter, and something to use for our eggs. You can use some candy or chocolate eggs, or you can use yogurt or chocolate-covered dried fruit or nuts. The first thing we're going to do is get our shredded wheat cereal ready for our bird nests. So you have a couple of options for breaking up your shredded wheat cereal. You can use a food processor, or you can put the cereal into a plastic bag and use a rolling pin to crush it. Or you can just crush it with your hands. Especially if you have 1 or 2 helpers, it's really not that hard to just break it up. That's what I'm going to do.
Our shredded wheat is all broken up now. It doesn't have to be in perfect crumbs. If it still has bigger pieces, that will just give it more of that bird nest texture. So we'll set that aside and combine our chocolate chips and our peanut butter. And we'll put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it's really important to stir it, even if it doesn't look like it's melted at all, just to make sure that it doesn't have any hot spots in there. We want to distribute the heat evenly. So continue microwaving this for 30 seconds at a time, making sure to mix it after each time until the chocolate chips are fully melted. Alright, our chocolate chips are melted into the peanut butter now. Make sure to be careful because the peanut butter and chocolate and the bowl are going to get really hot. So now that that's melted, we can add in our shredded wheat. And mix that up. Alright, once that's mixed, you can put the mixture into some paper cupcake liners or just on a piece of parchment paper. I'll just scoop some out. Just want a spoonful or 2. And once that's scooped, we can add our eggs. Repeat that with the other ones. Alright, our bird nests are ready to go in the refrigerator for at least half an hour so they become solid. And after that, you can store them in the fridge or at room temperature in that sealed container. So I hope that you enjoy making this recipe.